Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. So today we are going to discuss how to solve the problems where the lines are parallel to profile plane. So if there is a 3D view, you can see there is a 3D view, and so if the line is such that this way, so this is parallel to profile plane, but this is inclined to both these lines. So what you can do, basically, uh, just first make the original line, and just make the original line first. So this will be like this, and in the original line and in the profile plane, the original line is like this. Okay, so this is the profile plane and the original line is like this, and now just tilt it. So basically what you can do, you can just make it this way, just tilt this way. So you can just cut and make it whatever angle it makes with this vertical plane. So just make the angle here, suppose it is alpha, and then you can just get the points here. So this will be the vertical, and for horizontal you cannot directly project it to the horizontal, so we have to project this plane this way. So basically this will go down there and the points will be there. So make a 45-degree line here, and put the points, get the points here and get the points here. Okay, and then basically keep horizontal lines from here, and after that you can put a vertical line here, and this line will be the horizontal projection and this line will be the vertical projection. Now about vertical and horizontal traces. So what does the trace mean? So wherever it cuts the vertical or horizontal plane, that will be the trace. So uh, now I am not solving the problem totally. Just suppose you got the vertical uh, vertical uh, vertical projection and you got the horizontal projection. So where does it cut the horizontal plane? So basically if you go down, and when it meets the xy line, so there will be the cut. So this is the cut basically. So actually wherever, like, so wherever the cut is made, so there you need to find the position of the horizontal projection. And similarly the like this will be, so this will be the vertical trace and this will be the horizontal trace. So this is this is these two videos are for lines. Next we will go to planes in next video.